Hi, welcome to the Magic of Math, where today we're going to answer a standardized math test question where we demonstrate that we're able to round a decimal. Here's our question. The length of a pencil is 13 8/10 of a centimeter. What is the length of the pencil rounded to the ones place? I'm going to ask you to pause and solve now. Come back and hit play when you're ready. Welcome back. So first, let's understand that this question is asking us to round the length of a pencil to the ones place, and that we are given that the length of the pencil is 13 8/10 centimeters. So we're going to start with that value, 13.8, and we are going to round to the ones place. So the ones place in this number is this digit, the 3. And we're going to look at our rounding rules. When we look at the digit to the right of the digit that we're rounding to, so we're going to look at the 8, and if the value is less than 5, this value is greater than 5, so we're going to go to the second bullet point. So if the value is 5 or greater, which it is because it's 8, we're going to round the last digit, which will be our ones, our 3, up 1 and drop all insignificant digits. So that digit will become a 4, and the answer will be rounded to 14, which is answer choice D. Thanks for joining me today at the Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. I hope you'll come back again tomorrow, and have a great day.